Hey there everyone, if you are looking to download iOS 13 on your smartphone, you can go to the link which is betaprofiles.com. I have given the link in the description box. You can check that link, and all you have to do is open the Safari and open the website Beta Profiles. It's profiles.com, and go there, and here you will find the iOS 13 beta profile. You can click on the download, and it will show pop-up like this, and you have to allow because I have already installed, so I'll ignore that. And what you will get after that, you need to go to settings and open general and open the profiles here. As you can check that I have already installed this profile, so you will be asked to install this profile, and you need to click on the install and your device will be restarted. After that, you need to go to the general software update, and it will show the iOS 13 update for your device. As you can check, my device has been updated already.